Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can insert your own logo to your projects on CapCut PC. So in here, I have already opened my project. And to insert the logo, you just need to import the logo first into the CapCut PC. So go to the Media tab, click on Local, and then go to the Import button and find the logo that you want to add. So let's say that this is my logo. Just import it to CapCut PC. So you need to make sure that the logo is in PNG and it doesn't have any background. And after the import, you can just click on the plus icon to add it to track and place it as an overlay like this. Okay, and then after that you can adjust the size, then put it anywhere that you think fits your video. So for example, I want to put it in the left corner like this, and after that you are pretty much done. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on thanks. Bye.